CREAM program is a program where students of all majors can come in and work with cows. So day to day we milk the cows, we feed the cows, clean them, bed them.
Good girl, Jack. Boy.
Today I'm going to milk, so I'm on for the regular farm staff and I'm also on for CREAM, so I'm going to milk all the cows in the barn, go set up the parlor, get everything started, and go right through and milk everybody.
CREAM is a class where students learn by doing, and it might seem to some folks that CREAM is just about milking and feeding cows, but CREAM is a lot more than that. CREAM is about students making management decisions. It's about students working as a team. And sure, students get large animal handling experience, but the bigger picture is most of these students are not going to be folks milking cows or feeding cows on farms. Most of them are going to go past this and become a veterinarian or work in graduate school. So really for me, that's what CREAM is about, is giving students a chance to really shine in a different kind of educational environment.
So our class consists of a business meeting, which happens once a week on Tuesdays, and that's where we go into our committees. So our committees are like finances, breeding, where we kind of get an individualized sense of what's happening on the farm, where we can like put ourselves into the situation of the farm manager.
So, facilities, what are you doing tonight?
CREAM is a flipped course, meaning I don't lecture. We don't have exams, so it's not about students regurgitating material that I present them with. I make every single student take on some leadership role. We have a structure where there's a CREAM president, there always has been, a CREAM vice president. They lead the class. So students learn about delegation. They have to schedule themselves. If someone doesn't show up, they don't call or email me. They have to figure out how to get their shift covered. So there's a lot of responsibility they're given, and with that, how they're going to lead and delegate and then work with each other.
The CREAM program is a wonderful workforce development program. Beyond giving students the skills to manage a dairy farm and work on a dairy farm in the agricultural industry, they teach students about responsibility, about communication skills. This is a student-run course. The students actually contribute to each other's grade, and so being able to collaborate when you have different points of views, these are all saleable skills in the marketplace.
Getting to look a little bit closer into like financials and production and all the stats is something that's really helping me in this class.
A lot of our students are interested in other careers with animals, and that's great. There's an opportunity for all students to really get their hands dirty and learn some valuable skills that can be transferred to any career in animal science.
This is really like a unique experience to UNH, and being able to come in and be able to take care of a string. Yes, it's a lot of work, but in the end it's worth it to be able to see the outcomes that you're seeing and learn a lot of the things about cows and be able to get that hands-on experience with moving cows and being around them and learning how to interact with them.